This is my bold Festive Eye Makeup, perfect for special occasions, parties, wedding celebrations. We're talking vibrant blues, a pop of pink, and a soft matte lip to balance it all. Let's get started. For any makeup, your skin needs to be well hydrated. So I'm applying some moisturizer. You can apply the moisturizer of your choice. We are starting with the eyes first. I'm going to apply tape on my outer corner. For my makeup, I'm going to be using this Coastal Saints 120 eyeshadow palette. I'm going to prep my eyelids first with a concealer. Over the concealer, I'm also going to apply eyeshadow primer as I want my eyeshadows to really pop. Apply some loose powder over the primer, otherwise it can get really tacky and the eyeshadows won't blend properly. Not much, just little bit. Next, I'm going to take that black eyeshadow on my outer corner. I'm going to take this dark blue eyeshadow. I'm going to blend it on this black eyeshadow. I'm going to take this blue eyeshadow till the middle of my eye. Next, I'm going to take this dark purple eyeshadow. I'm going to take little bit of concealer. I'm going to mix these two. Next to this, I'm going to apply this eyeshadow. Next to this eyeshadow, I'm going to apply this one. I'm going to clean my brow bone. I'm going to quickly do my base and then finish the remaining eye makeup. As I'm going to smudge the eyeshadow on my lower lash line, I'm not going to go really close to my lash line today with the concealer. I'm going to apply a little bit of loose powder over the concealer. Next, I'm going to apply foundation. Always shake your foundation bottle before you use it. Apply a thin layer of foundation. For any makeup, if you want to avoid foundation, you can use BB cream or CC cream. But with the makeup, if you want to go on the stage, then you have to use a foundation. I'm just blending little bit into the hairline, or the difference between your face and hairline can be visible, so you have to blend the foundation and your contour also into your hairline. I'm highlighting my face. See, there can be different trends in makeup, so but you have to work according to your face, according to what suits you. So you can take little foundation, you can take little concealer, or you can take a lot of concealer, you can take a lot of foundation. The choice is yours. Next, I'm going to set my face with some loose powder. I'm going to contour my face next. If you want to skip the contouring, if you want to skip the blush, you can. But there is a possibility that if you don't apply even a blush, then your face might look flat. I use cream blush usually, but today I'm going to use a powder blush. I'm going to fill in my eyebrows next. I'm using a brow pomade. You can even use a dark colored eyeshadow. Just don't use a black one. You can use dark brown, you can use ash gray. The black one might look good on camera, but in person it might look little harsh. In case you are wondering, I'm using a small angular brush like this to fill in my eyebrows. On my lower lash line, I'm going in with this dark blue first. Next, I'm going in with the black eyeshadow, only on my outer corner. I'm going to blend it with a small brush. Next, I'm going in with this eyeshadow on my inner corner. Going in with this eyeshadow. I'm going to apply this light shade of as a highlighter. Next, I'm going to tightline my eyes. I'm also going to apply kohl on my waterline. I'm going to take a concealer and clean the edges. I wanted to apply some glitter on top, so I'm going in with this eyeshadow palette. This is Profusion Cosmetics Love Struck palette. So I'm going in with this blue glitter. This one. It's not exactly glitter, but this eyeshadow is really glittery. You can see the difference. For my lipstick, I'm going in with my lip liner first. I'm going to list all the products in the description box below. If you want to avoid lashes and go in directly with the mascara, you can do that. But I like to apply lashes as my lashes are really flat. Mascara and lashes I'm going to apply off camera. And here's the final bold festive glam. If you enjoyed this, subscribe for more glam videos. Thank you so much for watching.